Any of the military personnel are here? The U.S. military? That's fine. That's what you need.
American, yes, sir, the American.
Okay.
Yeah, here. That Indian Army here.
Okay.
Here I'm saying American.
Only anybody else? We need one more person from the U.S. military. Even if you have gone to the Boy Scouts, it's okay.
All right, welcome everyone. We're about to start the welcome procession parade in honor of the 250th anniversary of the United States. And here it will be led by our US veterans, Mr. Ajit Badami, Second Lieutenant.
We are now going to have the 4 military personnel from the U.S. Army, and it's going to be led by Ajit Badani. He was a U.S. Coast Guard person, and he's going to retire the flag and bring it right here and put it in the post. Okay? All right, all yours. We can start marching. Please rise. Please rise. Thank you.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof to the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say, does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave? Thank you. Absolutely. We can all recite the Pledge of Allegiance. Please recite
That's
it
what
with
I
me.
told him. to move.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you, everyone. And happy 4th of July.
May I request Mr. Hasmukh Modi to kindly introduce our president, Dr. Sukrit Mukherjee.
Hello everyone, happy 4th of July. Dr. Sukriji is a research scientist in bioinformatics and he holds BS in medicine, Masters in computer science, software engineering and double MD and PhD in bioinformatics. He is a reviewer of publications from American and International Medical Informatics Association. He serves as an associate professor and associate director of biomedical informatics of NIH research program. He holds multiple patents in biomedical research. He is the author of over 4 dozen books and publications in international peer-reviewed journals. He is also a poet of classic Bengali and English literature and has been featured in Best Poets and Poems in 2012. He received Sangeet Visharad Diploma and has served in All India Radio and TV as an expert tabla player. He received President's Volunteer Service Award Gold by US President Donald Trump and Joe Biden in 2019, 20, and 23. He is also a trained Hindu priest and he holds Acharya Diploma in Hindu rituals. He is also a member of American Medical Informatics Association and Microbiology Technology Network. He is serving in many Southern California organizations and in executive positions, and he is also a president and co-founder of Vedic American Foundation along with United Indian Association of UISC, which is our UIASC. And the fact that he thought this resume is not long enough, he just became the commissioner of City of Cyprus. Please welcome our president, Dr. Mukherjee.
Thank you. It is an honor. It is an honor to have a friends and colleagues and a family like all of you. Congratulations to all of you. Thank you, all of the veterans, the elected officials, my friends, the community leaders, and all the dignitaries who are present here. My humble gratefulness and also my humble gratitude to all of you for coming and celebrating with us this momentous occasion, this 250th year of celebration of this democracy. We thought, as a member of United Indian Association of Southern California, with the image of our Indian community, Indian American community, who have contributed immensely to the development and the progress of this country, we should make it a memorable so that we can recognize this particular day and celebrate with all glory and dignity. Let us together try to salute this nation through a number of events today that we have planned. We'll ring the bell for 250 years ceremony. We'll also do a freedom time capsule. We'll also bury our wishes and everything in the time capsule. At the same time, we'll perform the freedom tree ceremony, and also we have what's the next item? We have the freedom
tree.
Yeah, freedom
You're
tree.
going to write the notes and
Yeah, freedom tree.
hang it on the tree.
That's correct.
And the torch.
So it is, and also a freedom flame. A freedom flame that is depicted with the freedom torch. We will celebrate this momentous occasion with all the dignity and the glory we can provide. And together, let us come join hands together so that we all can recognize all the great services that this entire community has provided to our nation. So as a part of our celebration today, we are going to honor all those great veterans who have served as a service personnel to this country, that is the US service person, and also our Indian service personnel. But not only that, we have also handpicked a couple of individuals to commemorate their contribution to the development of this nation, so that their impact that they have kept over this country is everlasting, and that we are going to celebrate through our event today. Also, at the same time, we are going to promote all the youth, all the youngsters, so that they can be our future. And to promote that, we are going to organize a kind of a contest called I Love America contest. Will be also, I think, 10 of the youth who we are going to recognize at this time. So, without a further ado, let us all collaborate and join hands together to celebrate the 250th anniversary of the United States of America. On behalf of the United Indian Association of Southern California, at this time, I would like to thank all of you, and I would like to request that we, Mr. Ashok Patnaik, to carry forward with our next item. The next item will be the Freedom Torch. So we'll continue the Freedom Torch, and before we call our veterans for the offering of the colors and also recognize them, we're going to do a Freedom Torch at this time.
फ्रंट में देखोगे तो नजर नहीं आएगा, बैक साइड में चले आओ।
इस साइड पे रखेंगे ना।
All right.
So I would like, this is the Freedom Torch, and since there were 13 colonies that kind of united, right, in 1776, I would like the first show of hands of 13 folks, okay? And I'm going to count them. Okay, I want them to please come here. No, you cannot take picture. You need to be here. Okay. Anybody else? Come on. Number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. Come on from that. We need 13 folks here. Come on. Ladies are outnumbering us. Come on. Gentlemen, get here.
No gentlemen at all.
Only ladies? How many?
Yeah, they already have enough.
There's 13 colonies. All right. Oh, there's too many actually. Too many colonies. We only need 13, okay?
50 हो गए.
Okay, we are going to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Hey.
Oh, if I don't take her, she's going to fight with me. So you guys are out.
Vishal,
These 13 people.
God bless America.
Okay. Next time. No. 13, only 13. Only women.
God bless America.
Okay. That's a good one. Okay. All right now. So when I say with the start of, is there a background music? Shruti?
Yes.
Okay.
Vishal,
Okay. When I start off.
God bless America. Play.
Okay. So when I say start, 3, 2, you need to get the flame there, from there. That's New York. Next, New Jersey, North Carolina, South Carolina, New Hampshire. Oh, he takes 2 states. Philadelphia. All right. Georgia. And some more. Keep going, keep going. Number 8. Number 9.
And they can't
Oh,
take that
10.
away.
Number 11. 12.
And I'm proud to be
All right.
an American.
Oh, okay. Then you go
I
down.
know I'm free.
Okay. Okay, just put your hands there. All right. Whoever got left out, just put your hands there.
Who gave
Okay?
that right to me, and I gladly
God bless America. God bless America. 250 years. God bless America.
'cause there ain't no doubt I love this land. God bless the USA.
Thank you. Thank you folks for joining.
So these 13, so each will represent maybe, how many? 4?
3 times 13.
Yeah, 3.5. 3.5.
Okay.
All right. 4 times, okay.
Okay. 52.
Yeah.
My math is good.
52? 52 state? Although not 52, but okay.
So I would request everyone to please line up here. All the 52 members, maybe from the back there.
Come 52. So 52 times will,
Dinesh, come here,
actually
man.
50 should be, but that's okay.
Right, Shoni, come. Council member, come here. Zila here.
Zil, kidhar hai? Zil. Zil must attend this one.
Right from the back there. Come on, folks. Come join the
Hey, why
join the
this
bell
one?
ringing ceremony.
All right. It's time for the ring the bell ceremony. So the freedom bell is going to be rung at this time, led by Okay. No, actually, US veteran. Yeah. Ajit ji. Ajit Badam. Huh? Okay. Sorry, you are the serving person, right? Right. Active duty person. So actually, you should come first. Ajit, you should come. Hmm?
Okay, then we'll go that side.
No, Ajit is. I'll request the videographer to follow us while we try to ring the bell at this time. The freedom bell ceremony.
Okay, we are here.
Ang main mong ko sa tole.
Okay, take one photo here.
One, two, three. You are not coming. Yeah, like now.
One second. Okay. No, I took yours already. Thank you. You got it.
One more time.
Yeah, yeah. I'm in line.
Look here, please.
our council member from city of Artesia, youngest council member. Big round of applause to Zee Lahir.
Thank you, Commissioner Patnaik of Parks and Rec from City of Cerritos. Many don't know, but I am actually a former resident of Cerritos. I come from Cerritos, and luckily my parents bought a property in Artesia, and ever since then I've been representing Artesia. So I have my heart set on both. I think of Cerritos and Artesia as my home. As many of you who are here also have your hearts in two places, which is India and America. So thank you for doing that, and thank you for being a very good representation for both countries. From the bottom of my heart, I am always honored to be around you. I'm inspired whenever I'm around you, and whatever I can do in return to make you feel like, you know, your time is well spent here, please let me know. On that note, I will just congratulate all of us for being here on this momentous occasion. 250 years is not a joke. To be the former country to recognize democracy and practice democracy, it's a privilege. So I think that we are blessed, and by being here and participating in the democracy, this country is blessed too. So thank you, Mr. Patnaik, for allowing me to address you all.
We are actually honored and privileged to have our number 2 person from the Indian consulate, right? This gentleman, he was the first one to arrive when the consulate opened its door in Southern California, mainly in the LA area as such. He is no other than Mr. Kulwant Singh. Kulwantji, please come. I don't know, he drove from Pasadena or Glendale or somewhere, I don't know where, but it took him almost an hour to get here. But thank you for coming, Kulwantji.
Thank you, Patnaik ji. Good morning. On behalf of Consulate General of India, Los Angeles, I extend my warm greeting and best wishes to all of you for this anniversary of Independence Day of United States of America. It is my privilege to join you today for this celebration, and great to see the Indian community celebrating this important day. It shows the deep-rooted friendship between India and USA, and I thank you all, the vibrant Indian American community, for celebrating this occasion. With your contribution, hard work, you have contributed to the success of American story while maintaining your deep-rooted cultural ties. I thank you again for joining this celebration. I thank you, the organizer, for organizing this beautiful event. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Kulwantji, for coming and gracing our occasion. But don't go away, because we have some food and some giveaways to give away to the consulate. If you could please be kindly seated again, would appreciate it. The next item is the 250 years of historical journey. Is the thing working? Screen? Okay, we had a little technical issue about the screen, so we're going to skip this item. And the next item is the Okay, now at this time I would like to honor and pay tribute to the veterans who have served our great nation, United States of America, as well as veterans who have actually done their part in India as such. So can you please line up here? The US veterans as well as the Indian veterans. Aparna Hande, Captain Aparna Hande, Major Gurjeet Singh, yeah, we need all the veterans, US as well as Indian veterans.
Where are the US veterans?
Where are the US veterans? the gentleman in the uniform. I almost wanted to call you Ajit Doval. You look like him, by the way. Yeah. Okay, so just quickly mention your name and your position, and I'll just pass on the mic, okay? We'll start with you.
I serve with United States Marine Corps. I was military police. My rank is sergeant. I also serve United States Air Force Reserve, and I'm a disabled American veteran. I served 5 terms as a commander, and also presently I'm with the ECRF Vice Commander, and also Marine Corps League Junior Vice Commandant for 5 years. Thank you.
Since you didn't mention your name, we are going to call you General Powell, okay?
Yeah, my name is Francisco Parras Jr.
All right.
Thank you.
On behalf of the UIAC,
So we'll hold the applause at the end. You just-
on behalf of UIAC, so I'm going to honor this. So this is a Patriot Award on behalf of UIAC.
Yeah, can you do it again? I want to have a
Okay. All right. A Patriot Award is being bestowed on Mr. Francisco Perez.
Ajit,
Sir, my name is Ajit Badami. I'm with the only branch of military that allows volunteers like me. I'm with the Coast Guard Auxiliary. It's an integral part of Coast Guard. My title is Vice Lieutenant Commander, the Hawaiian Newport Beach Lieutenant. I've been doing this for about 18 years now. I'm glad I'm serving back the country that gave me so much. Thank you. I appreciate all the celebration we're doing on quarter 50th anniversary. Thanks.
On behalf of UIC, so a Patriot Award is being bestowed on actually BFC Ajit Badami.
Prabodh Patel, U.S. Army Special Forces.
so just hold your applause in the end, okay? We can applaud once for all.
Hi, I'm Rupali Tilve. I served in the U.S. Army. I did 8 years. I served as a second lieutenant. Thank you.
On behalf of USC, this is a Patriot Award.
Good afternoon. I'm Major Gurjit Singh from Los Angeles, locally. Most of you know me. I served in Corps of Engineers, Indian Army for 21 years, and it was an honor to serve. And I'm so happy to be here on this 250th year anniversary. God bless America, and may God bless India. Thank you.
Excuse me?
Go ahead.
I'm Aparna Hande, Captain. I served in military in 1965. Indo-Pakistan War. Thank you.
It's Captain Kuldeep Bali. I'm a gunner officer from the Indian Army, served for 6 years, and been here since 1990. I enjoy America, and I'm thankful to America and India. Thank you all for inviting us.
Hi, good afternoon. I'm Captain Dave Basine, retired Indian Army. I have had the rare honor and privilege of defending the motherland in 1971. And thank you all for being here to celebrate us. Thank you.
Good afternoon to everybody. My name is Squadron Leader Ajay Chauhan. I am an Air Force pilot and I just recently shifted to America. I'm former ADC2 President. I was with President Narayanan and President Kalam, and I'm now here in America. Thank you so much.
Walter Roundtree, retired as a Quartermaster Captain, U.S. Army.
Thank you. Now you can give a big round of applause to all the ladies and gentlemen here. Thank you. You all can be seated except for Captain Aparna Hande.
Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, happy 4th of July. Today we are celebrating 25 years of American freedom and independence. I am truly honored to be a part of these historical moments. Today also we are recognizing millions of immigrants and professionals who has hard work to build a great America. Among them, we are Indian, East Indian. I'm specifically saying because many times we think American Indian. We like to give a special salute to the healthcare family. Why am I only addressing healthcare family? Because there are many speakers who will be addressing different professions. So I choose to be healthcare family because I'm a part of that too. I proudly salute doctors, nurses, pharmacists, therapists, and technicians, and all other healthcare professionals. Every day, they serve with the compassion, dignity, and unwavering commitment. They care for us from the very first breath of life we take to the end of life. During COVID-19, all of us have witnessed how strong they stood in the front line in spite of their personal risks and family risks. It shows it's not just a job, but it's calling. During my nursing career, I learned that healing doesn't look for the religion, race, or border or nationality. It is for the humanity. The best compassion is the true language of humanity, and that's how the health family serves. Happy holiday. Thank you.
Mike. Thank you, Aparnaji. Thank you. Thank you very much. On with our program. I promise to you that we are going to honor some of the hand-picked personnel who have contributed and had a great impact on this American community. So, as an Indian American, we are going to recognize those heroes. But before we do, we would like to have a mention that we have also another veteran of the US Armed Forces, and that is our photographer himself. Let us all congratulate Jacob. Okay. Commander, right?
Yes.
Commander Jacob Ali. And we are very fortunate that it is an honor to recognize that a commander of the US Armed Forces is also covering this event. So, congratulations, Commander Jacob Ali. On behalf of USC, a Patriot Award for you. All right, on with our program. So, at this time, I'd like to request a couple of personnel to be here. We want to do it very quickly because we have a number of items left, because we have to see our youth competition and everything. And also, at this time, I'd request one by one the personnel, and they only have 30 seconds to speak. But I am going to just introduce them in like maybe a few words. A few words will be too less because they are an impactful personality. But because of the time constraint and we wanted to make it it should not look boring. So we have to do it very fast. So to just kind of going through a crash course. All right. All right. So for the first and the foremost, a person who has contributed so much to our community that he has covered not only the United States but 120 countries. 120 countries. How many of you have traveled the world? More than the half of this world countries have been covered by this person when he was working in the petroleum industry and all the Halliburton. and also as a finance and the banking. And today, even he is serving the city of Cerritos as a chair for the Parks and the Recreation, and he's a commissioner for the city of Cerritos. He is none other than Commissioner Ashok Patnaik. Jaisha. Our First Lady is going to offer this to her, to Mr. Ashok Patnaik. I'd like to request, next person will be, 30 seconds.
30 seconds. Okay. Actually, that began 15 seconds ago. But again, thank you for coming. Actually, I flew over 120 countries, but I did travel to about 40 countries as such. So just a little correction there. Yeah, I've been to countries like Venezuela 3 times, right? But on a different mission. I've been to Kuwait after the war in 1991, assessing the damage inflicted by the Iraqi soldiers in the refineries in Kuwait as such, KNPC, KOC. My friend Arvind knows that. So I've done a lot of traveling throughout the world. I can tell you one thing, without any malice, this is the greatest country on the earth. I can tell you that. And it is continuing to be the greatest country on earth for the next 250 years to come. God bless America. Thank you again, Supreet, for organizing this event.
Thank you. For the next person award, I'd like to request one of our executive, Manorama Gupta, Dr. Manorama Gupta, to present this award. Manorama Gupta, be on the stage. She is the secretary of the United Indian Association of Southern California, a former physician, she has served as a commissioner for the city of Long Beach, and also to her, she has a lot of accolades, and some of them are running this GPA, Global Peace Foundation, and also UNA USA chapter, Long Beach chapter. Here, so here is Purnahandu. We are requesting you to honor our next awardee. The next awardee is a very important one because he is not only a physician, but he has also the head of the radiology department. He's a chair of a hospital in Ohio, and he has also served as a head or the chair for the Department of Radiology for several decades, and his contribution has impacted hundreds and thousands of patients around the nation. Today he has retired and he is now living here in Huntington Beach. He is none other than Dr. Gunawant Mehta. Ila Mehta also, please join. Gunawant, you 30 seconds. Yeah. Okay, offer it to Gunawant. Ilaji. Ilaji medal আর Gunawant medal লেখা Ilaji कभी बोल ली
Thank you, Sukriji and organization for organizing this wonderful event. We cannot be better than 250 years of US real democracy. Thank you for doing wonderful work, and we wish you will continue the same.
Thank you so much. A token of appreciation, the medal for Ila Mehta. Ila Mehta is a queen of the community service, so we are recognizing Ilaji with this appreciation, the Community Impact Award from United Indian Association of Southern California, that is America 250 Award for Ila Mehta.
Thank you. A beautiful day, and all of you, I feel
just like my family. And it's really family. People are taking interest everywhere. I'm so happy. Indian culture as bringing something really nice in our adopted country, and now we become US citizen. Very happy.
Thank you, Ilaji. The next person is so much impactful that he has contributed to this country by developing in the nuclear field, nuclear engineering. That has enabled us and as a community at large for our progress, that is day-to-day progress that we see to receive electricity and everything. And he has also worked around the globe, but today he is here, a resident of Cerritos, and he is none other than also the treasurer of the UIASC, Mr. Arvind Patel. We'll also call Madhula Patel at this time. Okay, I'll ask Anila Basin to come here to offer also the word.
Thank you.
Oh, medal for Mridula ji. All right.
Thank you very much, UISC. I am also colleague of Ashok Patnaik. We work for the same company, and as he traveled, I also traveled to different 15 countries in the world, and thank you very much for everybody.
Thank you. The next person is such a profound, profound work he has done that has enriched not only the aviation industry but also the engineering industry at large. The person has contributed with his service to the Boeing and McDouglas. And he is none other than a community stalwart, a vice president of Gopio International, and also former president and a chairman for this organization, none other than Mr. Keval Kanda. Asha Kanda, I request also to be here. Yeah. I'll request Charu Kumar. Because men's का award है ना, women's को देना है. What is Asha ji? अब इधर आइए. Hey, Asha ji का.
Look here, please.
Yeah, just a minute.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for this wonderful award, and congratulations, and this is 250th anniversary of Independence Day of the United States. And I was here when they celebrate 200 years. Now it's 250. I don't think I will be here for 300 years. So congratulations everybody, and thank you for this award.
Thank you. Now, something to mention here that let me tell you. Now, this particular award is called the Distinguished American Community Impact Award. This is not an award by UISC only, but this is a state award. In collaboration with UISC, the State Assembly woman, Sharon Quicksilva, is collaborating with us to offer this award. Other certificates are here also, will offer to you, but this is something, the visible one, for the American Community Impact Award. All right.
Thank you.
All right. The next person has also, impacted us in the medical field. who is not only served in India but also in the United States, particularly as a physician who has changed the lives of the countless patients. So my original criteria for this was 100,000 patients, but this person has maybe exceeded the expectation. Is none other than our another community stalwart and former president of UFICA and also the other FIA organization, Dr. Rangesh Gadsali. Miraji, accompaniment. Okay, I'd like to request Sureka. I'd like to request Sureka ji to offer the word also. Job. 30 seconds.
Thank you, Sukrit, and thank you all friends. So we are all US citizens. It is very important for us to educate our children and grandchildren about the grand friendship between USA and India. It is very, very important. Long live the friendship between USA and India. Thank you.
Thank you so much. The next person is also a business person. Not only he has impacted this country through his contribution to business, but he has run a multi-million-dollar industry or company here in this country by employing hundreds and several hundreds, thousands of people. And so the original, he meets that criteria for impacting community. And at this time, he is also a vice president of this organization. Is none other than Mr. Harkishan Basa. I'd like to request Neela Parekh and also Jaisha. Please,
It has been a remarkable journey. The life has been exciting to do over $100 million business. I was a pioneer in the CRM industry. I founded the company, made 50 software engineers from India, brought them here, made all of them millionaires by employing them in my company. And it was a very exciting, fun journey. And my wife traveled with me all over the world also, missing her because we lost her 6 months ago. But definitely very exciting journey. And I would again do it one more time if I had interested in starting other company. But it's been a very exciting journey. Thank you.
Thank you. The next person is also a pioneer in community service in this country. He's also the very person who taught me how exactly to run the community and endeavors. He's kind of my mentor, but would like to see also what is his impact to this particular community, this American community. He has been a senior manager in Boeing, who has been instrumental in the development of Boeing 787, and also its marketing around the world. That person is none other than our advisor, our a mentor, and also a very, very senior our community person, and also a former president of the National Federation of Indian Association, Mr. Sudeep Godakshakar. I'll request Anju Garg.
Anju Garg.
Achha, sorry, Anju ji to aise hi aa rahi hai.
The last time he checked, her name was Gorakshakar.
No, I know. Okay. Jaisha. Okay. Just a minute.
Thank you. Thank you.
30 seconds.
Say something.
Yeah.
I'm sure you can talk on that.
I can do.
Yeah.
Okay, Sudeep Gorakshakar, you know, he traveled the world, okay? I say 40 countries, he's probably been to about 42 countries, he beat me. But he has delivered the planes in Bangladesh. And the Prime Minister then came and received the plane as such.
Yes.
Same thing with King Fahad of Saudi Arabia and numerous other leaders in the world. And when the planes were manufactured and delivered, he was one of the person, part of the delegation to deliver the plane. That's Sudeep Gorakshakar. I want Keval Khanna to stand for a minute. You know, these two gentlemen, they used to work for Boeing. And when they worked for Boeing, the stock was so high. Now they have retired, stock has gone down. Okay? So I urge you all to go back to Boeing and start working. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you. The next person is one of the very, very interesting person, because he is not only has been instrumental in a corporate, but he is also an entrepreneur. A mix of corporate career and a former employee of Xerox Corporation. As a manager, he learned a lot of things, and there, as an electronic engineer, he is at the heart of the power systems. So these power systems design and its marketing around the community, and thus impacting the United States in capacity of a technology innovator and also entrepreneur, is none other than Mr. Hasmukh Modi. I request Surekha Modi to join. And to give the award, I'd like to request
One second.
Thank you. The next person, sorry, 30 seconds.
Okay, so first of all, many of us came to this country seeking better life for us and our children. And America gave us that opportunity, and look at, we are all having such a happy life here. So we all remain indebted to this country for the rest of our life. So please remember that today. Second thing, for those of you who do not know what the power system is, there is no electronics equipment on this earth runs without power system. So all my life I've been in research and development of developing this product, and it's in probably millions of products around the world. Thank you.
Thank you so much. The next person has not only impacted as in the corporate, that is Yamaha Motors, but he has also impacted a community at large, all over almost 100 countries. And by doing, but we are not celebrating the Indian achievement here, but today we are going to see the perspective of those leaders who have impacted the American community. So this person who has impacted this country through his work and corporate career in mechanical engineering. Mechanical, right? No.
Oh, yeah. No, he's a electrical engineer.
Electrical.
Yeah, from VJTI.
Oh, okay. So through his career in his electrical engineering, he has impacted this country to a large extent. At this time, I'd like to request Mr. Bijay Patil.
Vijay, he has actually impacted globally everybody with his organization called SMEP. He has hit a double century and 200 cities all over the world. But his legacy resonates in this country. Vijay Patil.
I'd like to request Aparna Hande to join for this award. 30 seconds.
Thank you, UOS. I really appreciate it. I'm very fortunate
honestly lucky to have an incredible heritage, Indian heritage, which teaches you how to excel, right? How to respect everyone, democratic society. And you come to America, where the society really honors people who are self-disciplined. The sky is limit. Only you can achieve whatever you want to what you want to achieve. And very fortunate today to celebrate this 250th anniversary of American independence. So thank you, appreciate it.
All right, the next person is a woman. So this is something that her life is also a story to be told to our younger generations, because she has been a role model. She has been also voted by the state of California as a Woman of the Year 2012, I guess. When that is the time when I was newly came to the FIA community, and I heard the Aparna Hande was this person was the Woman of the Year. So through her career, spanning around the 3 continents, Asia, Africa, and the North America, she has impacted well over 100,000 lives through her career in the nursing. It is an honor to invite Aparna Hande to receive the American Community Impact Award in collaboration with the state of California. I'd like to request Jaisha to give the award.
Thank you, Sukrit, and thank you all of you to giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
All right. I guess we had another person, but I think he's not here. We picked. Do we have? Yeah. Okay.
Well, lot of things have been said about him. You know, sometimes I wonder, how does he really balance his professional life, his family life, his friendly life? There's only 24 hours in a day, right? A lot of things have been said about him, that is Dr. Sukrit Mukherjee. And, you know, this event was really masterminded by him. Single-handedly he did it. And, you know, big round of applause to Sukrit for putting this magnificent show. So,
He's also priest.
well, that was said already, right? Now, I would like to present this award to Dr. Sukrit Mukherjee, Distinguished American Community Impact Award. Dr. Sukrit Mukherjee. I think you need about 2 medals for him. And of course they say, right, success is dependent upon the lady of the house, right? And none other than Jaisha Mukherjee for supporting Sukrit for all the endeavors and all the time that he takes away from family and devotes to the community cause. Thank you, Jaisha, for your effort.
Thank you all. Award not only speaks about achievement, but it also to give us the opportunity to be worth, to be worth to that level. So I don't know how much I could have done, but through my research work, that one of the multiple patents, that I have served the community for now 2 decades, and the American community now since my days in Columbia University. And over the course, you know, I have impacted the countless lives. Maybe it's now millions, because the hospital are using my research to take a decision on the patient and on the government agencies too. So, all right. At the same time, it is time that we should proceed with the next item. And I'd like to request Mr. Ashok Patnaik for announcing the next item.
Okay, I'd like to call upon two great ladies who have served the community with distinction and pride. Number one, Charu Shivkumar. The other person is Rajeshwari Kulkarni. Where is she? Rajeshwari. So what can I say about Charu? Charu is like everywhere. And again, I wonder, Charu, where do you have all the time to spend to do community work? I mean, she gets up in the morning at 3 o'clock, right? And then she goes to work at 5 o'clock. And then she travels to Artesia. I know she spends a lot of time with Aparna Hande, but then she attends another meeting at Gopio, and then she goes to one of the restaurants and has another meeting. But again, Charu is one of the most accomplished lady here. I've known her for about 25 years, and kudos to you for doing a fantastic job as far as the community is concerned, Charu. You want to give the medal now?
Yes. All right. On behalf of the UIS Community Impact Award for Charu.
Wait, I have to say something to her, otherwise I'll get some text messages from Rajeshwari. Okay, so the next person is Rajeshwari Kulkarni Gadasali. Everybody knows her. We have seen her grow when she was, this small, right? Maybe like 6 years old or something. And anyway, then she decided, when she was about 18 or 19, she decided to get married to this wonderful man there, Dinesh Kulkarni, where is he? Who happens to be the cousin of Anil Kumble, the great spinner of India, right? And then they got married, they moved to Oregon. And then she spent 20 years, she finished her master's, I think at UCLA, then you went to Oregon, then you came back here. But again, besides all that, she's a mathematics genius. You give her any algebraic equation, you don't need this to calculate. She does a fantastic job. In fact, Keval Karnda tested her on a couple of occasions and she came right through. Very intelligent person. But above all, a fantastic singer in Southern California. Fantastic singer. And, I think you have the voice of what? Lata, Asha, Rajeshwari, everybody, right? So anyway, my deepest, my humblest appreciation to you for whatever you do in the community. Don't get upset with me, okay? Thank you. Yes.
Does she have 30 seconds?
Yeah. She'll have more than that. So we'll have Charu first speak. Okay? You got 30 seconds. Rajeshwari, don't go away. Otherwise, your time will be lost, okay? And she will take it.
Thank you. Happy 4th of July to everyone. It's a pride to be patriotic to two countries as we do India and here. And I think we, as Indian American, we do justice to that. And thank you for the award and recognition. I am what I am because of all of you, and thank all of you.
Thank you so much. I'm really honored to be here. And I've grown up here as well as I grew up in India as well. I'm very proud to be part of both countries, and happy 4th to everyone. Thank you.
I thought you were going to be singing now. Come on, Rajeshwari. Come on, let's have one. Please. You have actually more than 30 seconds.
I know, thank you.
Okay, your medal. You don't want your medal? Shall I give it? Oh, you got one. Who's there?
Secretary.
Oh. Okay. All right. So next person we have, I've seen her in action for the last 25 years. Does FIA, does all her programs, Lions Club. She started another program or some company in Long Beach. She's just a quiet worker. She doesn't make noise like me or Sukrit. And it's none other than Dr. Manora Gupta. Where is Dr. Gupta? You really need a
We have the Community Impact Award.
Thank you very much. Happy 4th of July to all of you. And I traveled all over the world. I didn't leave any country. And I like people, I'm a people person. I like to meet people. I like to know how they live, how they behave, and how they communicate. And it is very, very interesting when you meet people, you feel the world is one. And you like to become friends of everybody. In this community, I'm serving for more than 35 years. And I have the association where we not serve only Indian, but we serve the multicultural community. So I'm very proud of that I enjoy meeting people and I enjoy exposing our culture to the mainstream. And that's what is our goal. Thank you.
The next person we have is somebody who doesn't give up. She's very resilient. She's very determined, not adamant, by the way, very determined. And you get angry with her, all you do is, Surekha Ben, let's have some ice cream. I call it the ice cream diplomacy. So again, Surekha Modi, please come forward. Okay, Sudeep, it's you, man. Come on, we started the ice cream thing with you.
Yeah, I know. Okay. Thank you. All the best. A pleasure to have heard this. Hard-working lady.
I think the last person on the list, last but not the least.
No, there are two more.
Oh, or तीन जन है. Okay. The next person is a person, he's always busy on the text. In the morning, 6 o'clock, tung, 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 right? She has all the news of Southern California, but she is a fantastic, ardent worker. You tell her to do something, she does it. Neela Parekh. Thank you.
Thank you, everybody. I just work with all the community for the public relations. That's what people like to be. They just call me every in the morning or middle of the night. Eli, you have to do this work. I do. Thank you very much. Happy 4th of July.
The next person, we never knew much about her, but lately I'm finding about her. Very active in the community. She gets around. She goes from one end of the Southern California to the other end, east to west, north and south. Very active. Anila Bhasin.
टोपी निकाल टोपी के साथ
Thank you so much, God bless America. I also visited 29 countries, but I came to USA. My baby had a 5 defects in the heart, and I thought I was going to lose him. So when he was fine, and he is really fine, I felt like America was like a temple to me. So God bless America. Thank you.
Thank you. The last person here, is doesn't take credit for a lot of things, but she does things at her own will desire at her own pace. The pace means at a rapid pace. Very honest person and dedicated, devoted, none other than Rani Khrushchev. Rani? Where is Rani? Oh, there she is. Rani, we have perfect weather in Cerritos. Very able and very capable person, Rani Khrushchev.
Supposed to say something?
Thank you for giving me this platform to speak today, and thank you for this award. And I appreciate all the people who have come here today, ladies, gentlemen, and the distinguished guests. And I humbly accept this award so that I'll be able to speak, I think, after a few more minutes.
Don't speak in Tamil, okay?
I speak about 9 languages. Which one you want me to start with? Anyway, so thank you. And I appreciate all my friends. And as you all know, I don't have any relatives in California, by the way, except my son. So you are my family, and I appreciate the first person who has brought me to this platform is Aparna Hande. I gotta give her and my next person is my little sister, Charu Shivakumar. We both are from the same town and we speak the same language. And I appreciate all the other leaders. And the other mentor who I have is Mr. Keval Kanda. And I have to give him the biggest award, if I can think of, who never gets angry at me, who never says any bad thing about me. So, and I appreciate all of your friends.
Thank you. So we are actually running out of time because they'll come and chase me out actually before they chase y'all out. The next person is, Zila here. Zil, you're popular not only in these 8 cities, as I said, your popularity should span all over Southern California. So we decided to bring somebody from Irvine, Orange County, to present this medal.
She's gonna move to Irvine next.
No, you can't. Okay. So, all right. Okay, Zil. Where is your super mom, Lata here? Where is she? Is she here? Oh, there she is. Big round of applause to Lata here. Right, stand up, stand up. It was her birthday like a few days ago. Happy birthday, super mom.
Thank you, Mr. Vandai.
I think you believe me or not, but my mentors have always been children and youngsters. I take inspiration from them, and this is my biggest inspiration, and we all should be very proud of her in our community.
Thank you, thank you. I'm truly honored. This is so special. It was nice seeing a couple of medals. I saw Mr. Shukla's, and actually Mr. and Mrs. Shukla have one. So I saw that and I was like, how cool. And thank you. My desire has been fulfilled.
And by the way, there is a name written there too. It's for you, okay? Thank you, Zil.
Thank you guys, thank you guys.
We are so proud that our Consul General of India is Consul General of Los Angeles, was supposed to arrive here today, but he was busy for some reason, and so our Vice Consul, that is our Consul, has come here, and that is why we are going to honor both of them. So first, this Distinguished Public Service Award is being offered to Consulate General of India, Dr. K.J. Srinivas, who is not present here, but on behalf of K.J. Srinivas, Mr. Kulwant Singh is going to accept this. And also, there is an honor for the Public Service Award for Mr. Kulwant Singh. And he is going to accept the award for Dr. K.J. Srinivas on behalf of Dr. K.J. Srinivas. Yes, but this one you'll take it to him. He's waiting for this. Okay.
Just don't tell
All right.
that he got.
Thank you so much. We are running a little bit behind. We have a lot of other things, honors also, honorees. But at this time, the event also that we have been waiting for, it is our kids, the youth must be promoted. So at this time, I Love America contest will be on. While we are getting ready, so we are going to have this contest right now. But while we are getting ready, maybe I'll ask Charu Sipkumar to take the concert, and I guess Mr. Sudeep Gorakshakar, Mr. Hasmukh Modi, Mr. Keval Kanda, I'd like to request them to be the judge for this time.
I also love America because growing up as an American Indian, I have the way to represent my voice in my community growing up with my Indian culture and heritage, as well as also expressing American patriotism. So I get to balance both sides of my world where I can celebrate Diwali, for example, and also celebrate the 4th of July. These both are really important events to me, and growing up in America, I meet a lot of other children my age who celebrate their own culture, and I learn a lot about what makes our community what it is today. And another reason why I love America is because our founding fathers worked so hard to make our nation as independent as it is, and they fought hard, and because of their hard work, we are able to express and be who we are in this country today. And I think for all of these reasons, as well as just me being myself and an American Indian in a country where I can express who I am, as well as learning about other people's culture, I think that's why I'm proud to be an American. Thank you.
Next, we invite Ishan Patil.
I love America because it represents two things: freedom in exchange for sacrifice, and diversity. Diversity not only because America has great foods, but because America is inclusive. When I went to New York this March for my Model UN trip, I got the chance to speak with an elderly man named Anthony. He was an Italian immigrant who fled his home country due to fear of persecution and violence. But as I was speaking to him, I realized something. America is not just one story. It's millions of stories from millions of different people, from different cultures, from different backgrounds, and different corners of the world. That's what makes America special. So today we're here to celebrate America's 250th anniversary, and I want to just remember one thing. America is a place where an Indian American student can have a conversation with an immigrant shop owner in New York City, and we can all feel like we belong in the same conversation. That's what makes America special, and that's why I love America. Thank you.
Good job. Good job. Next, judges, are you getting everything? Their names? This was Ishan Patil. Next, Sujas Mukherjee. Tanha and Mehak, get ready. Next, you guys will be the ones.
Hello everyone, my name is Sujosh Mukherjee. I'm a rising high school senior at Cypress High School. And today I wanted to talk about why I like America. And I want to give my 5 to 6 reasons why, I like America. Number 1, I guess freedom of speech and expression. Everyone can share their ideas, challenge norms, and debate openly without fear of censorship, which I think forms the backbone of a truly transparent society. Even when sometimes companies or corporations are accused of not being transparent, we still are always able to encourage a transparent world regardless. Secondly, freedom of religion and belief, that regardless of belief or faith, we're legally protected to practice those beliefs no matter what. And because of the entrepreneurial culture promoted in the United States, it provides a vast landscape of opportunities for education, jobs, and upward mobility that doesn't exist anywhere else. And because of this same culture, there's strong innovation in science and technology, a robust ecosystem of entrepreneurship, entrepreneurs, and people who make new breakthroughs and groundbreaking changes every single day. Thank you.
Thank you. Next, Mahi Islam.
I'm in 2nd grade. Yeah, sure. Hello everyone. I love America because it is a land of freedom and opportunities. Here we can dream big and achieve many things. We learn about different cultures and we celebrate many holidays. And we can all live peacefully no matter what we are from. God bless America. Happy 4th of July.
Okay, next we have Thani Islam.
Hi, I'm Thani. I'm an 8th grader. As a teenager, I love America because it's a melting pot. What I mean by that is diversity is openly celebrated here. Like, we have months to dedicate each heritage, like Indian Heritage Month, Hispanic Heritage Month, and more. And here, because of the free enterprise system we have, we can choose and carve our own path to success. Also, here, gender equality is encouraged. And as women, we have the right to dream big and make a difference. That's why I'm grateful to call America my home. May freedom ring and may we all continue to shine. God bless America and our high land of dreams and high hopes. Happy 4th of July. Thank you.
Next, can we have Sadhana Manjunath?
I'm going to be.
Sadhana Manjunath.
Hello everyone, my name is Sadhana Manjunath. Here's my piece on why I love America. 250 years ago, 13 American colonies made a bold decision. They believed they should have a voice in the government that ruled them and the freedom to shape their own future. After all, nobody likes being told what to do from 3,000 miles away. On July 4th, 1776, they signed the Declaration of Independence, declaring that all people are created equal and have the rights to life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. Winning independence wasn't easy. During the Revolutionary War, soldiers, families, and leaders like George Washington endured years of hardship and sacrifice. With determination and help from allies like France, the United States finally won its independence. After the war, the founders created a constitution that established the government based on freedom, the rule of law, and the idea that people should choose their own leaders. Over the years, Americans from many different backgrounds have helped build this nation through innovation, hard work, and service. Many people believe America is the greatest country on earth because of its commitment to liberty, opportunity, and the belief that anyone can work toward a better future. While America has faced challenges and is never perfect, one of its greatest strengths is its willingness to keep improving. As we celebrate Independence Day, let's remember that history is not just something we read in books, it's something we continue to write every single day. The story of America didn't end in 1776. Every generation adds a new chapter. Now it's our turn. May we write one that the future generations will be proud to read. God bless the USA and happy 4th of July.
The time capsule, all of you will be doing that, and then we'll bury it or hide it somewhere for the next 1 year. After next 1 year, our wishes will be revealed. What we have, how much has been come to be true, how much is not. But we have a lot of more things, more people to recognize. But at this time, I would like to recognize the fruit donation. Fruit donation by Mrs. Solanki, that is Nalini Solanki. Nalini Solanki ji, thank you very much from the Big Saver Food for donating the $600 worth of food. Thank you, Nalini ji. The United. Okay, yeah. And on behalf of United Indian Association of Southern California, the Community Impact Award is being bestowed on Mrs. Nalini Solanki. Jaisha. Mrs. Nalini Solanki, we are really indebted to Mrs. Nalini Solanki for helping us with this, a very, very generous donation of $600 worth of fruit from our business. So thank you very much. Yes, sir.
We all come here as a pioneer with a 2 suitcase and
what we did today, you can see. 1973, I came here, worked the business with my husband. You people know his name, Yukabai Solanki. We did first charity work for women's education in Gujarat, where the 9th grade students was women's educated. Now there is all over they are teachers, gold medalists and everything. I'm proud to say that. But I like as a housewife, you all is housewife, you all is women. You can know as we can make the society the better when we get the chance. So I got the chance. I cover the Upleta, my husband town. Right now we give the education, I open the school, we do the medical camp. We had the government give us 18 crore building to make medical new hospital. You can say it, we can build the home, we can build the society, we can build the country. So whatever my husband has started, we not do only in India, but we do in America. We did a first charity with a certain people. We start Sardar Patel in UCLA. And then we do in the Long Beach College, we debate the seat. We go school and colleges, still we providing a scholarship. So we had to take care back home, but we had to take care this our workplace. So we good to see, proud to say I bring my nephew and other people in 1980, and he was the Indian mayor, Naresh Solanki. And good to see, he was 15-year-old when he come here. I devote my 8 years with him. So now good to see too many Indians is government and politics. Somebody had to put the seed, then is the tree grown and the flower grown. Thanks all the pioneers, thanks all the women. Thank you.
Hello, Namaskar.
1 minute while our choreography is being set up. We have to recognize the youth who just participated in the America and Why I Love America contest. So I think the result is in.
There are two people we want to recognize who have been consistently contributing, like they sponsor programs, they provide water, and let's have Vajinder Tahim. He is the president of Gopio, Los Angeles, and as you have seen for many of our events, he provides water and also they sponsor many of our programs. And Rajinder Ji is the trustee for Gopio, Los Angeles. Can we have Keval Ji here? Keval Ji for 1 minute ke liye.
Hello everyone, my name is Rajendra Dhanna. On the behalf of the Gopi Los Angeles chapter, I wish you all happy 4th of July, and hopefully we can do this thing every year. That's the thing. Thank you. Thank you, Mukherjee, Charuji all for organizing thing. Thank you.
Hello, next here everybody. जो दिल का हो खूबसूरत, जो दिल का हो खूबसूरत, खुदा ने ऐसे लोग काम बनाए हैं. जो दिल का हो खूबसूरत, खुदा ने ऐसे लोग काम बनाए हैं. जिसको बनाया है खुदा ने, आज वो 4th जुलाई मनाने के लिए आए हैं. Happy 4th July.
He is great poet, on-spot poet. Are the results out? Keval Ji and Sudeep Ji, come over here.
Announce the result.
Can you announce who got first? Come on, Sudeep Ji. Youth, be ready. Can we have Bharat Shah here? Bharat Shah and Sunila Ji. They are always sincere and committed. Whenever you give some task to them, they are always there, organizing, contributing, and always Bharat Bhai quietly but does his work. Thank you for being who you are. And can we have Leela Ji and Gunawant Bhai? Can you give the medal to them?
Let's children finish, then you all can continue. Feeling so much happy to give medal to this couple. As far as I know them, they are always working with me very well. Nice.
You heard earlier about American freedom. So we have picked our top 3. Number 3 spot goes to Sujesh Mukherjee. Sujesh Mukherjee. Where is he?
Yatri and Pradeep Shukla, Dr. Shukla.
Where is Ali? Where is Jacob?
I can take the picture.
Okay. Jacob, Jacob.
Jacob, can you come and take a picture, please?
छोड़ो, इधर आओ. Yeah.
Okay.
That is not even our program. Raja, Sujat.
Sujesh, come back.
I want you to record. Full record change.
Everyone look here. In the count of 3. 1, 2, and 3.
Full record just
Are the kids in it too? Okay. Can you?
It is one by one.
Okay. All right. 1, 2, and 3. Thank you.
Okay. Number 2 spot. We can take a group picture later on. Right now, let's go by the people who were selected. Sadhana, what's her last name? Sadhana Manjula. Okay. She got the 2nd place.
Very good, son. Thank you.
The 1st place, number 1, Ishan Patel.
We invite Nalini Solanki ji to give the medal. Vijay ji, where are you?
Vijay Patel.
Good job, Oh, that boy, huh?
Preeti ji, come on.
Good job.
Hey, I used to carry that little boy as a newborn baby.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Very good.
Can we have Shreya, Tanha, Mahi, and Aditi?
Chief, now please watch our program.
Shreya Mukherjee, Tanha Islam, Mahi Islam, and Aditi? Aditi Bhattacharya? Ashok ji, come over here to give the medals. And Manorama ji, come on.
अच्छा श्रेया के लिए इसको दे दो, श्रुति को दे दो। श्रेया का मेडल वो था, उनको दे दिया।
कब दे रहा है?
नहीं नहीं, श्रेया को नाम लिखना है।
सबको देने हैं ना? They're waiting.
Oh, flag of glory, proud and high, reaching boldly to the sky. Red for courage, brave and strong, white for peace where hearts belong. Blue forever shining bright, guiding hope with endless light. 50 stars upon your blue, everyone stands proud and true. 50 stars together shine, one united heart in time. Every color tells a tale, every star will never fail. Through the wind and through the rain, you will rise again. Wave on high, oh flag of freedom, shine your light for all to see. Lift our dreams beyond the heavens, standing proud for liberty. Red, white, blue, forever faithful, forever true. Wave on high through every sky. Our hope will never die. When the morning greets the land, you still proudly take your stand. Through the years your colors fly, oh, beneath the open sky. Wave on high, oh flag of freedom, let your colors brightly fly. 50 stars forever shining, lighting every dream on high. Red, white, blue, united hearts will follow you. Wait forever, strong and free, land of hope and liberty. Shine your light for all to see. Lift our dreams beyond the heavens, standing proud for liberty. Red, white, blue, forever faithful, forever true. Wave on high through every sky. Our hope will never die. When the morning greets the land, you still proudly take your stand. Through the years your colors fly, oh, beneath the open sky. Wave on high, oh flag of freedom, let your colors brightly fly. 50 stars Thank you.